Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit the homepage for ShredderBuilt. It's a little tricky, and also we don't have to keep this layout. It's just what I put it as regularly. I think it could look pretty decent, but then again, there's also a lot of stuff on there. But it's up to you guys. So, how to edit these individual things. So there's three different sections here, and once again, let me know if this is too complicated, because then you can just send me the text and I'll put it in, and it takes me like less than a minute, so that might be easiest. So what you want to do is you want to log into the ShredderBuilt admin by going to shredderbuilt.com/wpadmin. Then you can click on Appearance and then click on Widgets, and it will bring you to this screen right here. So what you want to look out for, basically they're all going to be closed, except maybe this one. So first one that you want to click on is Homepage Column 1. This is those three, this is this section right here. So Homepage Column number 1. Now you can see it looks a little messy here, but don't let it get you because it's pretty simple. What this means, this is the image up top. That's this thing right here. So you don't need to worry about anything with this type of code in it. All you need to do is you put the text that you want in between these two center tags. So whatever you want this to say. I figure that you'll probably say something exactly like that. And then save it. And you can see what happens. So now I've just changed the text to this. In order to make it look nice, it's always good to have three sections with pretty much equally the same amount of content in each row, so it looks even, but you guys can do whatever you want. So yeah, I'll just put this back to how it was before, so it's easy to see. Also, this might make it easier too. So when you see this thing, after that is where you put the content that you've written. So hopefully that's not too complicated. Really just copy and paste whatever you want to write, put it under put content here for each one. And it just goes in order. So this is the left one, this is the middle, and then this is the right one. Alright, so now we have the next section, which is this part down here. So this has two sections. First is right here. So you guys should probably just give me the text for this. It's up to you again, but if you put it in yourselves, basically you put it into this section. You put it right under here, except the difference is with this, you need to put this tag in between every paragraph. So if you just copy and paste it in, it's going to just be a blur, a wall of text. So to give it a paragraph, you have to put this exact code in between the paragraphs. So once again, it's pretty simple, but it can also be a little complicated. So if you guys want me to do that, that's fine. And then this, once again, I'm going to make another video for this stuff just in case you guys want to try that. But it's more confusing, but it's still pretty simple. I'm going to make a whole another video which I'm going to send you as well. But so I'll cover that later. So this is how you edit the text in that section. You paste it into here and then you put these things where you want paragraphs to go. So the last section is Homepage After Content, Row 2. And this, once again, it's kind of complicated. I figured we would just have these images linked to pictures of your store. As you can see, the dimensions right now are 150 by 150 pixels, which is probably smaller than a lot of the images you guys have. But if you send me over what you want to put in there, I can either shrink the images or we can make them bigger, but then we won't have 4 because it'll take up too much space. So let me know what you guys want to do on that, and I'll make that other video for you to see how you can make changes to these things if you want.